Yoga is benefiting mankind since ages. It is a culture which has diversified ocean of remedies that can naturally heal human pain. Combined with a healthy diet and good fitness regime, many yoga poses and asanas can help you to lose weight, improve muscle tone, and promote flexibility and strength. Yoga has been linked to better heart health and improved immune system. Paschimottanasana is one of the most important asanas in Hatha Yoga. It is an excellent asana that can help improve your mental health and overall well-being. Paschimottanasana is a classic yoga pose that has a deep calming effect on the nervous system, helping to relieve stress and mild depression. It can help calm your anxious mind, relieve stress and anxiety while helping you yield numerous physical benefits. Paschimottanasana is also known as seated forward bend pose. Steps to perform Paschimottanasana, the seated forward bend pose. Step 1. Sit on the floor with your legs stretched out straight. Step 2. Breathe in while stretching your arms fully, also keeping the spine straight. Step 3. Breathe out as you bend forward, hinging at your hips and extend your torso over your legs, keeping the spine erect. Step 4. Keep the neck naturally extended with spine, neither forcing your head to look up nor pushing the head down. You can stay in this position as long as you can. Alternatively, take hold of the big toes using your fingers. Rest your head just beyond your knees. Now, step 5. Breathe in slowly as you raise your back and head. Keep the spine erected. Rest for a while. Step 6. Breathe in as you raise both your arms above your head. Step 7. Slowly come back to the original position. Benefits of Paschimottanasana. Some of the health benefits of Paschimottanasana are: it is good for mental health and overall well-being. It calms the brain, thereby providing relief from stress and depression. It reduces anxiety and fatigue, massages and tones the abdominal and pelvic organs, thus an effective yoga asana for burning unwanted fat. It improves digestion when practiced regularly. Paschimottanasana tones the shoulders and stretches the lower back, hamstrings and hips. It stimulates the liver, kidneys and also ovaries and uterus in women. Overcomes insomnia and improves sleep quality. It is an excellent asana for runners who are prone hamstring. Caution while performing Paschimottanasana. Do counter pose Dhanurasana or any other backward bending asana after performing Paschimottanasana. Slightly adjust this pose if you have an injury to your hips, hamstrings, lower back, and shoulders. Do not force this pose if you are too stiff to get required bends. Just do as much extent as you can without pain. Keep your knees together or hip width. Do not allow them to turn out. Unless curtailed, it lessens the stretch of your hamstrings and puts the stress closer to your joints. Keep your back straight for as long as you can in the pose. Keep the chin lifted to avoid overstretching of spinal cord. Keep toes pointed to avoid over-tensioning of sciatic nerve. Avoid this pose with full of stomach as it compresses abdomen. Slowly inhale while lifting and exhale while lowering the body. Follow the steps to gradually attain the final pose of Paschimottanasana. Urgencies can lead to untoward sprains or wrench in ligaments. To avail the real benefits of Paschimottanasana, it is advisable to take necessary precautions before reaching the final pose. Recommended to practice this pose under proper guidance in the beginning. Women are advised to refrain from performing Paschimottanasana during menstruation and pregnancy. Do not try this pose without proper medical consultation if one is suffering from cardiac diseases or other heart-related ailments. Suffering from cervical spondylitis, slipped disc, then do not try this pose. Feeling weakness or having any discomfort in back, having defective spinal cord or having any prevailing discomfort in your spine, then do not try this pose. General instructions for Yogasana. For best results, Yogasana should be performed with empty stomach. Therefore, preferred time for all asanas is during early rise of dawn or ensure minimum gap of half an hour after consuming water, 2 hours after eating light food or 4 to 5 hours after meals. Clear bowel before beginning. Normal breathing should be ensured throughout the yoga sessions unless otherwise mentioned. Inhale whenever moving opposite to the ground and exhale whenever moving towards the ground. Jerks to be avoided always. Yoga should be always practiced in slack and comfortable attire to avoid varicose veins and other nerve or circulatory disorders. Every pose should be followed by a counter pose like forward bending, backward bending, left side or right side, etc. Advisable to try new asana always in presence of expert. Do not allow children in vicinity while performing. Practice Yogasana daily to stay fit, healthy and happy. The results of Yogasana are slow and steady. Hello friends, if you have liked the asanas and explanation, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with your friends and family. And see you shortly with another new app. Thank you.